Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube and sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. Well, guys, U.S. stocks ended higher on Tuesday. Headlines were dominated by central bank action. Market participants digested the Bank of Japan's historic pivot and looked ahead to the key Federal Reserve monetary policy decision that will be instrumental in shaping interest rate cut expectations this year. We're getting that tomorrow. We're getting Jay Powell's press conference at 2:30 p.m. The Nasdaq Composite opened lower but reversed course after midday as technology stocks pared back initial losses to push higher. The tech-heavy Nasdaq ended 0.25%. NVDA stock had slipped after some analysts said that its new chips unveiled at its annual GTC conference had already been factored into the company's stock price. But comments by top boss Jensen Huang about gaining larger data center market share helped the stock about turn and end in the green. The S&P 500 also opened lower, but like the Nasdaq, the benchmark index reversed course. The blue chip Dow climbed 0.82% to close also in the green. Traders in the U.S. on Tuesday woke up to some major news. The Bank of Japan hiked its benchmark interest rate for the first time in 17 years and eliminated other parts of its unorthodox monetary policy. The shift marked the BOJ becoming the last major central bank to exit negative rates and also ended the Japanese central bank's decade-long massive stimulus program based on ultra-loose monetary policy. All eyes are now on the Fed's second monetary policy decision of the year on Wednesday. Though the outcome is widely anticipated to be no change in interest rates, markets are more focused on the updated dot plot of economic and rate projections and Fed Chair Jay Powell's comments for clarity on when rate cuts will start and the quantum of loosening. The FOMC meeting will be critical for markets across all asset classes. While the odds favor no monetary policy changes, the devil will be in the details with the statement and Chairman Powell's press conference guiding stocks, bonds, commodities, and markets across all asset classes. A change in the previous dot plots from 3 to 2 rate cuts in 2024 could weigh on stocks and bonds, as it would disappoint traders and investors looking for the central bank to shift to accommodation. Meanwhile, the closer the November election comes, the more odds the Fed will sit on the sidelines as they will strive to take an apolitical stance during a highly contentious contest. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency market cap, witnessed a roller coaster ride over the past 2 weeks. After setting an all-time high of $73,800, it currently trades down to $62,922. This sharp correction follows a period of bullish momentum that saw Bitcoin surpass its previous record of $68,000. Notably, Bitcoin's market capitalization fell 14% in just 5 days, reaching $1.25 trillion just ahead of the Fed's policy meeting. Some analysts believe that the recent price drop could be a natural correction after Bitcoin's rapid price increase, as the cryptocurrency has experienced a strong bull run over the past year, with its price more than doubling since the beginning of 2023. Despite the recent price drop, many crypto enthusiasts remain optimistic about Bitcoin's long-term prospects. Bitcoin's decline comes ahead of the upcoming halving in April. Historically, Bitcoin has fallen weeks before the event, with corrections of 20 20% in 2020 and 40% in 2016. In terms of small caps, NRDY, the CEO, has purchased $800,000 worth of NRDY stock over the last few days. RNAC, Cartesian Therapeutics, a $600,000 insider buy from director Timothy Springer, who is a legendary healthcare investor. Alignment Healthcare, ALHC, we got a $500,000 CEO buy, and here we're just coming off the 52-week low. Solo Brands, DTC, a $226,000 insider buy. Archer Aviation, ACHR, an almost $8 million insider buy. NCMI, in-theater ad company National Cinemedia, jumped closed today up 19%, reaching its highest point in nearly a year off a solid fourth quarter earnings report that included plans for a $100 million share repurchase program. On Wall Street, B. Riley upgraded NCMI to buy from neutral and boosted its price target to $6.75. That target would mark a new 52-week high and implies another 29% upside from Tuesday's gain. JWN is Nordstrom. The stock was up at one point over 13%, but we closed up 9% on reports that the company's founding family is considering a new takeover offer. The department store chain has reportedly engaged Morgan Stanley and Centerview Partners to assess private equity interest in a potential deal. However, there's no guarantee that a deal will materialize. Nordstrom, Centerview, and Morgan Stanley have not yet commented on the matter. This development comes after Nordstrom rejected a takeover bid from its founding family in 2018, which was more than at $50 per share. SPIR was up over 30% today, was up even more at one point during the day. It announced a collaboration with NVDA to advance AI-driven weather prediction, sending the space-based data provider's shares rallying. Throughout this collaboration, SPIR's radio occultation data and proprietary data assimilation capabilities will be integrated with NVIDIA Earth-2 cloud APIs to leverage AI to accelerate climate and weather predictions. Through this collaboration, SPIR aims to deliver differentiated forecast products that are computationally infeasibly using traditional NWP models. HOTH, HOTH, shares were up 17% today after the company reported positive preclinical data for its drug candidate HT-ALZ in the treatment of neuroinflammation and cognitive deficits associated with Alzheimer's disease. HOTH said it remains committed to further researching the therapy for Alzheimer's. Researchers plan to share the data with an Alzheimer's research group at Washington University in St. Louis. ATOS Therapeutics, ATOS, traded up 20% today, closed near the highs of the day after the company said that a breast cancer patient who received its lead candidate remained cancer-free after 5 years of therapy. The patient started receiving daily endoxifen as a neoadjuvant therapy for 20 days before surgery in 2018 when she was 51 years old as part of the FDA's Compassionate Use Program for experimental treatments. After strong results, the patient continued to receive daily treatment, completing 5 years of treatment. She remains cancer-free today, and we are grateful to have been able to help her with her difficult treatment program, ATOS CEO Stephen Quay remarked. As for safety, the company added that the patient who had estrogen receptor positive / human epidermal growth factor receptor 2 negative breast cancer didn't develop vasomotor symptoms commonly linked to standard of care adjuvant drugs. Lastly, ATNM closed up 25% today as H.C. Wainwright highlighted its buyout potential after its peer in the radiopharma space, Fusion Pharma, agreed to be acquired by AstraZeneca in a $2.4 billion deal. A deal of this size underscores the continued interest in the radiopharmaceutical space as a whole, and we see a positive read-through for actinium in particular as it continues to trade higher on this morning's news. H.C. Wainwright analyst said. They pointed out to the clinical stage biotech has recently started a project to boost the manufacturing capacity of its alpha radiation-emitting isotope actinium-225, on which its experimental cancer therapy actimab-A is based. Supply constraints have made AC-225 a highly sought asset for targeted radiotherapy initiatives, the analyst said, who has a buy rating and a $50 per share target on ATNM. Of course, and then tomorrow I will also be scanning pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up. And guys, it is completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube and sign up with your email and mobile number. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.